Well, hello again everyone. By the time you watch this, the February Caravan, Camping and Motorhome show at the NEC will be all packed away and over. But I was lucky enough to visit on the Wednesday with ads from the Herman Hits the Road channel, and here is a selection of my highlights and best bits from our visit. Well, I'm not stopping up at the show, I'm just visiting for one day, so I'm taking the Sleeker up there. Was due to meet Ads, Chaz and Gary up there, but unfortunately Chaz is unwell, so I think it's just Ads that I'll be meeting up there. But Chaz has asked me to get one of those special water-saving shower heads that work with small mineral balls, I think. So we'll have to keep an eye out for one of those whilst we're walking around the show.
So according to my list that I've made, hall 1, hall 5, and that's basically it for what I want to see. Whether or not we do or not, that's a completely different thing.
I haven't really got a plan, so So after a quick coffee to fortify ourselves, we headed off into the show. The very first thing we were met with was this little mink teardrop caravan thing. And yeah, what a cute little thing it is with the kitchen at the back there. Although, yeah, it'd have to be good weather really, wouldn't it? So this is the Wingham Oasis, I think that's how you say it, 610M. And these vans are built with completely monocoque GRP body on them. So it's all completely seamless. And this one goes for £117,995. Let's have a bit of a look inside. So this van has a fixed bed, which is what we like, and quite a generous bathroom, sort of toilet shower area as well. What's this cupboard here? Is this the wardrobe? Yes it is. Not a bad size wardrobe there. And a reasonably sized living area up front here with these lovely quilted leather type seats. And a drop down bed that gives you the other two berths. Back outside again, you've got this little sort of flip down back bumper arrangement which gives access to a small storage space. Perhaps you keep your chocks and bits and pieces in there, I suppose. And then there's a small garage space underneath that fixed bed, but you wouldn't get too much in there. Maybe just some camping chairs, possibly a small awning. Well, I went round quite a few of the accessory stands asking if they had special shower heads that worked with small balls, but all I really got was funny looks in return. I did, however, notice these electric barbecues. Can't really go wrong for a tenner, can you? But they would only work if you were on electric hookup. The colour of this VW camper really caught my eye. I had a BMX with mag wheels, exactly the same colour when I was a teenager. This van though comes with gloss black alloys. Now I do like the colour of this interior. What would you call this? I guess it's anthracite or something like that, isn't it? But yeah, it is dark in colour, but the inside of the van doesn't appear dark. I think because of the white trims and all this LED lighting. And very airy with the pop top completely opened up and unzipped like this. Little bit of space at the back here with some lockers. I'm not really sure how you use this space with the seats up though. If you've got one of these, let me know how you use this back area. These rooftop tent boxes caught my eye. A really quick and convenient way to camp if you're touring around in a vehicle. I do like this. This is actually pretty spacious. I can see myself sleeping up here. Lovely skylight to watch the stars through as well. Now I've been looking around this accessories stand for Chaz's shower head, but yeah, no sign of them here, I'm afraid. This little 50cc equivalent electric scooter from Artisan Electric was very cute and would be the perfect thing to take with you on a motorhome trip as transport for two to avoid having to de-pitch your motorhome for little days out. We're on the Wild Axe stand now and let's have a look in this van conversion. Yeah, I think this is the size of van conversion that we probably could cope with. Nice to see a sort of full-size oven, really. Well, not full-size, but you could definitely get a chicken in it. 3 good-sized burners as well. And what seems a pretty generous toilet and bathroom area for a van conversion. Now this is the Cub by Lion Caravans. Didn't catch the price for this, but look at this fantastic massive skylight it's got. Lets plenty of light into the interior. You get in through the traditional washing machine type door, and is that TV there? Yeah, fantastic. Seems a lot more roomy than it is because of that big skylight. It's got the awning on the back to give you cover over the kitchen area, so yeah, a bit better for bad weather. Nice little tiny sink and a single burner, and of course the fridge and a little freezer compartment. All you need really for 2 people. Yeah, nice little lightweight caravan. These little Elddis pop-top caravans always seem very popular, very well designed little things. Let's have a bit of a look inside this one. Yes, nice little airy space. The pop-top lets in a lot of light around the sides, it seems. And yeah, that's a nice place to be. Let's have a little sit down. Yeah, nice and comfy. Could quite happily spend some time in here. A little separate dinette. Toilet and bathroom seems reasonably generous. Yeah, nice little van. Let's have a look in this Auto Trail Imala 615 Lowline. Nice large cabin and seating area. I like the colour of the upholstery in this one. A rear kitchen in this one with also a sort of rear side washroom area, and yeah, I quite like this layout. And this bathroom area really is lovely and spacious. Nice carpeted toilet area with a separate shower, a completely separate shower with a proper door, which is quite something really. Not to mention this proper full-size oven and 4-burner hob, and a nice big deep sink next to it. Now this is my pick of the show. If I was visiting with motorhome buying money, which sadly I wasn't, this would be the one that I would go for, I think. It's on a Ford Transit base and it is available at the show for a shade over $66,000. A light and airy bedroom area with the convenience of this fixed island double bed. Just the job for us, I think. We've got a separate toilet and basin area. You've got this door which closes off the double bedroom from the rest of the van. And then you've got this very generously sized separate shower area. Fantastic. A cab and dinette seating area at the front. No oven in this one, which is a little bit of a downside for us, but there is a lovely big fridge and above it a microwave. Yeah, I really think Nikki would like the layout and feel of this one as well. And the drop down bed, of course, makes it a 4-berth. There is a small garage where we could probably put the inflatable kayak and the awning, but we'd need somewhere else for the electric bikes. I wonder if you could get a bike rack on the back.
Right. The main reason anybody buys one of these is because you can save up to 48% on your gas and electricity bills. You use 48% less water. So the brown ones are called tourmaline. They're a semi-precious mineral from Iceland. And look at that. That's up to 200% better than this one here, isn't it? Just nod. It's good for business, right? So look, that one's a lot better. Oh, by the way, they're all hand assembled in Derbyshire. The black minerals, they're my favourite ones. They're the germanium. And what those ones do is they take out the chemicals that you can't see, the fluoride and the chlorine. And that's what damages your hair and your skin. It's the fluoride and the chlorine. It's great for your drinking water, not so great for your hair and your skin. On the website, that one is £29.95. I wouldn't dream of charging you 30 quid. We're half price at 15. Is that good?
That is good.
Feel free to ooh and ah.
As good as £10,
Well, that's true.
No. But look. They're all universal, so they'll work on any shower. Now this one is great for washing your hair in the bath or in the sink, right? But this one is twice the size. Twice the size without being twice the price. That one is an extra £5 at 20. But look at that. Is that good? This one is the turbo adjustable. We sell thousands more of these than any of the others. Why do we sell thousands more of these?
cheaper?
No, because it's the best one. Right, this one has got 3 settings. You've got the shower setting, you've got the massage setting, and you've got the high-powered hose. The ladies love this one. It's great for taking the shampoo and conditioner out your hair. It's great for the gentlemen as well, because you can clean the shower when you're finished as well. So it's great for cleaning the shower. But look, as I say, on the website, that one is £59.95. I wouldn't dream of charging you 60. We're half that at 30 quid. I use it every day, right? And it'll save you money every single day. Every single day, right? £5 a day and £5 a week over a year is about 240 quid a year, right? You can't afford not to have one.
So which one do you reckon Shaz wants, Ads?
Go to the sweatshop.
Yeah, that's the best one. So one of those and one of those. We can do that for 50. That should be 55, but we do it for 50.
Well, I don't think he wants 2.
Well,
I think he's only got one shower in his van.
Yeah. I'll buy one as well.
Do you know what? Right, if you do that, right, if you buy, I'll tell you what, right, I'd love to do a deal, right? If you both want one, right, instead of 60 quid, we'll do it 25 a piece. That's a saving of a £5 each. We can't say
Should we go for 25 each?
Tony!
If you reckon it's a good one,
What
if you want? If it's free?
free,
£20 each.
75. Well, I can knock a £5 off each one. That's the best I can do.
£20.
No, I can knock a £5 off each one.
Half for 100 quid. There you go.
Oh no,
That's a deal.
There's only so many balls we can wash, really, isn't there?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Well, I'll tell you what then. I'll take one for 25 quid.
Yeah, go on then. And you want one as well, deal?
Yeah.
There you go. There's one for you.
Brilliant.
And there's one for you. And I'll tell you what, I do all the hard work, Dave takes all the money.
Now this pickup truck mounted camper really caught my attention. Impressively comfortable inside with a large double bed over the cab of the pickup. They've managed to fit in a pretty decently sized washroom and toilet, a 2-burner hob and a sink with some storage, and the shovel, hatchet and petrol can really complete the image of this adventure type camping outfit. Yeah, so tell us about this boat then, Ads.
I was going to start off with this.
You're going to start off with the actual
don't have
pod.
the boat in it yet.
Don't have the boat in it yet, right. Okay.
So
tell us about the pod then, Ads.
So this pod over here, that's a model of that one over there, which is called the Gladiator. As you can see, this is the design used to actually design that. This is what they started off with. Now, what they're planning on doing here, and I think, and as well as Alex, thinks this is fantastic. Take it off of your truck and you put it in your boat.
Yeah, but you do need a crane.
This is coming out in the summer.
Yeah.
This summer.
Yeah.
And it doesn't normally just fall to bits like I've just broken it. But yeah, amazing idea, I think. So you could pull up at the beach or a dockyard. You've been camping in that for a while. Take your Gladiator off, with the crane of course, and then put it in your boat and go on the sea for a few days.
Absolutely.
Following the coast or something.
And of course, if you didn't want to put the pod on it, you still got the boat for days out if you're just camping by the sea.
Yeah. Like, it's still a boat.
What an absolutely fantastic idea.
Yeah.
Well, there you go. That pretty much concludes my visit to the NEC. Very nice to see ads again, and looked around a nice selection of vans. Met some new contacts, which hopefully be very useful, and also met a few subscribers and viewers, so that was fantastic as well. Yeah, so I'm off home now, and I'll see you again soon in the next video.